Okay, magandang araw po. Pag-usapan po natin yung recreation. Nakaraan na pag-usapan na rin naman natin to, pero inalam natin ano ba yung recreational activity, ano ba yung leisure time. Ngayon, nalaman na natin na ang recreation activity, ito yung mga bagay na ginagawa natin during leisure time. Ito ay unobligated time. Ginagawa ito upang sumaya tayo, ma-relax. Ngayon, meron tayong dalawang uri ng recreation. Yung tinatawag na active and passive recreation. Alamin natin. So, pag sinabing active recreation po, active recreation is any physical activity. So, yan yung active recreation, physical activity yan. That is recreational in nature. So, alam nyo na kung ano yung recreation, ha? Recreation ito na physical activity and has a goal of improving one's health and physical fitness. Siyempre, dapat nakaka-relax and obligated. So, ano-ano itong mga active recreation? Yung pagpiplay ng sports, katulad ng basketball, soccer, tennis, at kahit ano pang mga sports. Hiking, biking, swimming, dancing, gardening, that require physical activity. Lahat yan, ng uri ng recreation na yan ay active recreation. Yan po ibig sabihin, pagka napapagod ka, gumagalaw ang katawan mo, kailangan mo ng maraming enerhiya para dun sa recreation na gagawin mo, physical activity, active recreation po yan. Next, meron naman tayong tinatawag na passive recreation. Pagka yung passive recreation ang pinag-uusapan, ito ay type of leisure activity or recreational activity that does not involve physically strenuous activity. So, hindi ito mga nakakapagod na recreational activity. It involves low-impact activity. Ano yon? Pagbabasa. Diba, recreational activity rin yon. Watching TV. May dumaan na pusa. Watching TV. It involves low-impact activities. Listening to music, attending concert or symphonies, and playing board games. So, lahat yan na hindi naman nagre-require ng matinding lakas o physical activity. Ang tawag po dyan ay passive recreation. So, may iba't ibang uri ng recreation. So, pasok na tayo sa types of recreation. So, alam na natin yung pinagkaiba ng passive at active recreation. So, ang types of recreation, meron tayong physical activities. Ito nga yung mga sports. Ayan, games, fitness. So, kapag ginagamitan ng physical activities o physical strength, ito ay physical activities. Next, merong social activities. Ito yung pagka-recreation na for social. Yun, sa party, picnic, yan. So, naipagkita kayo sa mga kaibigan ninyo. So, social activities po yan. Meron naman din yung camping and outdoor activities. Physical activity rin to, pero camping and outdoor. So, ito yung pagbabackpacking, yung float trips, mga adventure to. Ayan po. Next naman, ang type of activity ay ang arts and craft activity. So, mahilig ba kayong gumawa ng arts, scrapbooking, marami pa. May mga maraming activity yan. Painting, nagdo-drawing kayo. So, art and craft activities po yun. Next, yung cultural activities. Ito yung mga art appreciation. Mahilig ba kayong pumunta sa museum? Mahilig kayong manood ng musical play, drama. Yan, mga kasama. Ito po ay cultural activities. At ang huli ay yung service activities. Ito yung fun in doing things for others. Alam na alam nyo po yan. So, halimbawa, yung mga feeding program, yung mga libreng ginagawa natin sa mamamayan, yan po, relief packs giving, mga libreng gupit, medical missions, lahat po yan ay service activities. Tandaan natin, yung recreation dapat masaya tayo. At dito sa service activities, alam ko naman po na masaya tayong gumagawa ng bagay na mabuti para sa iba. So, yun lang naman po ang topic natin ngayon for recreation. Maraming salamat!